Morning, Tim McCain, Donley, Ford Galion. Look what we got just in time for summer. A 24 Mustang GT California special, 480 ground-pounding horsepower. I'm going to walk up, show you a little closer in this vehicle, but come and check it out, Donley, Ford Galion today. And up close view of this California special. It's got the special blue in the grille. You come around, got the special blue on the 5-liter, special on the rims, special striping. Gonna open the door here and see the nice blue on the seats. Gives a nice little touch. Man, look at this new awesome screen. Man, this car is just awesome. You got to get the Donley Ford Galion today and check it out. I'm gonna hit the remote start for you in with the little rumble. Hey, come and check this vehicle out at Donley Ford Galion today. Have a great day.